Hey friends, we are on lesson 45. Let me stop my camera from swinging. Lesson 45. Number 1 says, Jay counted 9 sharpened pencils and 6 unsharpened pencils in his pencil can. How many pencils are in the can? So there are 9 sharpened, there are 6 unsharpened, and what they're asking is how many altogether. And altogether tells us to add them up. So 9 sharpened, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 unsharpened, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the number sentence is 9 plus 6 equals 15. And they asked us how many pencils, so our answer is 15 pencils. How many mittens are in the box? Circle pairs of mittens. So how many are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're supposed to circle pairs. So there's a pair, there's a pair, there's a pair, and there's a pair. How many pairs of mittens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Count by 5s to find the number of fingers in all the mittens. Well, how many fingers are in a hand? So each mitten has 5 fingers in it. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. There are 40 fingers in those mittens. Number 3, is an even number, what is an even number greater than 6? Now you'll remember even numbers are when we count by 2. So 2, 4, 6, and we want to go greater than 6, so something larger than 6. So count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8. We could go with 8, or you could keep going, 10, 12, 14. Now we have to find an odd number less than 6. So all those numbers we didn't say when we were counting 2, 4, 6, we need to say the other numbers. 1, 3, 5, and we have to go less than 6, so we can't go any higher. So 1, 3, or 5 would be fine. Which number on the thermometer is the temperature closest to? So let's take a look over here on the thermometer. And it is right, I'm going to darken it just in case you can't see it real well on your screen. It's right there. Now, when I'm looking at this, I can see that the big lines are counting by tens, right? There's the 30, the 40, the 50, the 60. But there's not 10 little marks in between. So the little marks in between are counting by something else. So if it's not counting by 1s, let's see if it's counting by 2s. 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. So it's counting by 2s, isn't it? So here's 20, and our temperature is at the next little mark up. So if we're counting by 2s, it's 20, 22. Yeah, 22. How many dimes are there? So let's go down here in the piggy bank. Okay, so these are pennies with the Lincoln Memorial on the back and Abraham Lincoln on the front. These are the ones that are brown. So these are pennies. They're 1, right? And the rest of them, I believe, are dimes. And what are dimes worth? Do you remember? 10, right? So all of these are the fronts and backs of dimes, and they're each worth 10. So how many dimes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pennies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how much money is this? So now we're going to add up the money. So what I like to do is I like to count all of one coin first, and usually I start with the biggest ones, and then I go to the next one and I count those, and I work my way down to the littlest one. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So that was all my dimes, 60. Now we're gonna start, one more is 61, 62, 63, 64. 64, and make sure you put either a cent sign, or if you want to report it like with a dollar sign and a decimal point, you can do that too. That's the whole thing. Have a good afternoon.